Now let us discuss about acid pickling. So the acid edge cleaning can be done by using one of the following formulae. The main idea of acid cleaning is to remove the metal oxide from the metal, the surface of the metal. We know very well rusting is nothing but the formation of oxide layer over the metal. Our objective is to remove the rust, where we have to use the chemical reagent like acid. But you must note down one important thing: acid pickling is not meant for degreasing. Okay, right. So we are just removing the metal oxide layer. Now let us go through the formula 1, where you can take sulfuric acid 150 ml per liter. So it should contain 150 ml in 1 liter bath. And similarly, chromic acid, you have to deal with both these chemicals very carefully. So 50 gram per liter. And so this is one formula. You can proceed with acid pickling like this, using this formula. And if you want have another formula, that is, you can adopt formula 2, where you can add chromic acid 7.5 gram to 10 gram per liter. You just compare. Here it is heavy 50, whereas here it is only less than 10. Then we include phosphoric acid. So here we don't use sulfuric acid. So let me remind that it is sulfuric acid free, but it will contain chromic acid up to 10 gram per liter. But we take orthophosphoric acid, and normally it is supplied in the range of 70 to 80 percentage, and the density is around 1.75 gram per ml. So here we can take 5 gram to 7.5 milliliter per liter. Okay. So this is another formula, but you have to increase the temperature to 90 to 95, and you can keep it immersed, keep the components immersed for 1 minute or up to 15 minutes, depending on the amount of scale. If the scale is very heavy, then you can increase the duration. And acid pickling, here we can use hydrochloric acid 30 to 50% by volume, then sulfuric acid 10%, and phosphoric acid 10%, so that it will be a very effective acid pickling bath. But you remember, all these things should be done in the bath containing some inner lining with the FRP. Now, what you have to do is, you can mix all these things and dilute to 100 times before adding the pickle aid. So normally less than 0.5% pickle can be added. Pickling aid. Pickling aid is nothing but inhibitors. It arrests the etching of surface by the acid, and usually we take antimony trioxide. So this is the acid pickling part.